Crocodiles are ancient creatures, unchanged for over 200 million years. These reptiles are perfectly adapted to their environment, silent, stealthy, and incredibly powerful. Found in freshwater habitats across Africa, from lakes to rivers, crocodiles. Their powerful jaws can crush bones, and their stealth allows them to ambush their prey, which often includes animals that come to the riverbanks to drink, animals like the zebra. They wait for unsuspecting animals. Zebras, aware of the lurking dangers in the water, drink with caution. Often, one zebra will keep its head raised, watching for any sign of movement, while the others drink. Their acute sense of hearing and sight helps them detect predators. This is the story of survival of the fittest, where every day is a fight to live. In the natural world, survival is not guaranteed. It's a constant battle of fitness, where only the fittest survive. For the zebra, this means staying alert, running fast, and never letting their guard down. For the crocodile, survival hinges on patty. But zebras are not without defenses. With powerful kicks and a rapid escape, some zebras manage to break free from the crocodile's grip, proving that even in the face of overwhelming odds, survival is possible. Once the crocodile strikes, the zebra's survival depends on its strength and agility. If the crocodile gets a firm grip, it will drag the zebra into the water, performing its notorious death roll to subdue its prey. Their entire hunting strategy is built on the element of surprise. When zebras come to drink, they unknowingly enter the crocodile's domain, a dangerous gamble for survival. The cycle of life continues. The fittest survive. Ecosystems.